What's up guys, this is Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Today I'm going to show you guys how to freshen up your PW50 with the QA Parts Complete Plastic Kit. These bikes have remained essentially unchanged since their debut in 1981. And that means there's a ton of them out there and they're usually pretty cheap to pick up. A lot of times you just have cosmetic issues going on with them. So if you want to freshen them up and make them look better, then the QA Parts Plastic Kit is what you're looking for. These things, they come in 3 different colorways. You've got black, pink, and blue. So depending what your kid wants, you can get them set up with that. And they're really easy to install. You get a lot of bang for your buck. You've got your seat, gas tank, and the plastics that all come in the kit. And they're all the same to put on. They're really easy. So let's go ahead and show you how to do this. To do this job, we have some common hand tools, rags, and safety glasses. You'll also want to refer to your model-specific service manual for more information, proper procedures, and specs. For parts, we have the QA Parts Complete Plastic Kit. Gives you the plastics, the complete seat, and the gas tank. Now these plastic kits are really easy to install, and we've already gone ahead and removed the stock plastics from our bike. The reason we did this is really we just want to show you a few tips to help you get this QA Plastics kit installed, and we're going to start here up at the front fender. All right, to get this front fender on, right behind this number plate right here, there's a tab, and we're going to hook that up to this metal bracket right here. We'll slide this up into place, and then the 2 tabs on the side will line themselves up with the lower bracket. Next, we'll install the 2 screws on the sides. Next, we'll attach the shrouds to the bottom of the tank. Now we can install the tank onto the bike, and there's 1 bolt that goes all the way through on the top. And then 1 strap on the back. Now before you install this rear fender, you will want to install your seat onto it, but just to show you what's going on underneath here, you want to get this plastic tab underneath this bracket that's below the coil. And to do that, you'll pull out on the sides of this plastic, and that's going to slide right into place, and then you can bolt everything down. Now we can mount the rear fender to the seat. To do that, we'll flip the seat over, and we'll place our rear fender on top of it. We have these 4 locating tabs that'll help us center everything up, and then we'll start installing the 4 bolts. Now that we have the seat installed onto the rear fender, we'll go ahead and install the assembly. With the rear fender in place, we can now install the 2 bolts holding it down. Now the last steps for installation is to route your fuel vent line. You want to make sure that's in a place that it's out of the way of getting kinked or damaged, and then you'll install the fuel line with the fuel valve. Now installation for this kit is really simple. If you need these parts, they're available on our website. We also have graphics kits available on there as well, so be sure to check those out. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we have a ton of other helpful videos on there. Thanks for watching.